I write down my vision for the show. What is the show about? How do people feel? This is how I start the show and end the show. I had a good vision when I started working on it, but then October 7 happened. So I kind of needed to bring in something, change the whole message up, do everything different. A show is not just about inviting the singers, what songs to sing, who sings first, who sings next. To introduce, we took a lot of risks because people that come here not necessarily are coming here to watch a play.
Right.
So there's a lot of risks happening in the show.
Wow.
And we're here since Thursday, by the way. This
Really?
is what yeah.
These are the singers' mics. Every singer has their own mic set with their own sound and whatever they need to hear.
Okay.
They get on stage, we give it to them. They come off stage, take it back. We check for batteries and so on. This is IEM, this is earpieces, so they hear the music to their liking. There's going to be a sound check soon as I want to hear drums, I want to hear more of this, I want to hear that. And the band leader could talk to them as well. Mixing station just for this stage, for what the stage hears. There's